Today in this video I'm gonna explain how to reset Oppo Reno 8Z. Switch off your mobile by using the power button plus volume up, then swipe down to power off. Press and keep the volume down with the power key simultaneously. When the Oppo logo appears, release the power key and continue holding the volume down only. Choose the English language from the list of languages. The recovery mode will be displayed on the screen. Select wipe data and enter the verification code. Pick format data and confirm the format. Wait for the process to complete and touch the OK button. Select reboot and confirm with OK. During this operation, all your files will be removed. After the reset is complete, your phone will be restored to its original factory settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.